Hey guys, today we will solve some another question from exercise 14.2. Our first question is solve graphically. We have to minimize the given function z is equals to x minus 7y plus 190. Subject to constraints means you have given the restrictions for this following question are x plus y is less than equals to 8, x plus y is greater than equals to 4, x is less than equals to 5 and y is less than equals to 5. As usual, x, y is greater than equals to 0. So our solution is, firstly, here our objective function is z x minus 7y plus 190. Firstly, to represent the graph, to making the graph, we have to consider these inequalities as the equations. So we consider given constraints as equations for solving the graph. Therefore, our first equation is x plus y equals to 8. Another equation is x plus y is 4, x is equals to 5 and y equals to 5. We have these four equations which we should represent on the graph. 1, 2, 3 and 4. For making the graph, we take xy plane, x and y. This is our origin. We have focused on the quadrant first because our xy is greater than equals to 0. That's why our points will belongs to first quadrants. Now, to represent x plus y equals to 8, we have to represent this equation such as that equation should cut on x-axis as well as y-axis. For that, when on x-axis x should be 0. When x is 0, y will become 8. Therefore, given point will be 0, 8. From this, when y is equals to 0, x is equals to 8. Therefore, point will be 8 and 0. We got the 2 points and 2 points are sufficient to represent a line. So, 0, 8 and 8, 0. तो हमारे जो points होंगे हम इनको कंसिडर कर सकते हैं बट दैट शुड बी ऑन इक्वल डिस्टेंस एंड इक्वल प्लेसेज. हियर वी कंसिडर दिस इज 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. To represent our first point 0, 8, x is 0, y is 8. X is 0, y is 8. Therefore, x is 0, y is 8, this point. And another point is 8 and 0. 8 and 0. X is 8 and y is 0. This point. We should meet this point like this. Now, our second line will be come from this x plus y equals to 4. For this, when x is equals to 0, y will become from second equation. When x is equals to 0, y will become 4 and when y is equals to 0 in this equation, x will become 4. So, these 2 points will be, first point is 0, 4 and second point will be 4 and 0. Okay, we got the 2 points to represent this line. Firstly 0, 4. 0 and 4. For 0 and 4, this will be our point. And second point is 4 and 0, so this will be our point. Our equation. This line is represented this equation. This is x plus y equals to 4 and this line represents the x plus y equals to 8. We have another line as well. X is equals to 5 and y is equals to 5. When we represent x is equals to 5, that means x is 5 will be somewhere in between 4 and 6 and for this x is equals to 5 we have the infinite numbers which belong for the y axis, means y coordinate के लिए यहाँ पर infinite points हो सकते हैं, तो that will be the line which is parallel to the y axis. तो जब हम इसको represent करेंगे आपके पास जो line बनेगी this one which is parallel to the y axis, this is x is equals to 5. When we represent y equals to 5, to represent this line, this will belongs to y is equals to 5 will be here, and for this line x is the infinite many coordinates, infinite many solution, so it will be parallel to the y axis. This is y equals to 5. Okay, to make this shaded region we will focus on the common region where it will be firstly, now we check the given inequalities in the conditions to see that which region will be the bounded one, which will be the common one. For this we should put x and y equals to 0 and 0 in these inequalities and see the conditions. When we put x plus y is 0 0, it will become 0 which is less than equals to it, 0 is less than equals to it, which is naturally true. Therefore our shaded region will be towards the सेंटर, टूवर्ड्स द ओरिजिन. ओके, तो हमारा जो रीजन होगा वो टूवर्ड्स द ओरिजिन मिलेगा. तो हमें जो रीजन मिलने वाला है, देखिए ये वाला रीजन मिलेगा. ओके, अभी मैं सारा ड्रॉ नहीं कर रही हूँ, अभी मैं इतना ही दिखा रही हूँ कि ये रीजन हमें मिलने वाला है, ऐसे कुछ. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन वी रिप्रेजेंट अवर सेकेंड लाइन विच इज x plus y is greater than equals to 4, when we put 0 0 in this inequality, we get 0 is greater than equals to 4, which is false because 0 is less than 4, not greater than 4. That's why our bounded region, our shaded region will be away from the origin. This is our line x plus y equals to 4. So हमारा region जो मिलेगा हमें इधर मिलेगा. ठीक है, अभी मैं यहाँ तक ही दिखा रही हूँ आप लोगों को. नेक्स्ट है x is less than equals to 0. इसके लिए जब हम 0 पुट करेंगे, 0 is less than equals to 5. This is also satisfy the natural phenomena which is less than 5. It is also true naturally. तो आपके पास x is equals to 5 क्या है, this one. तो आपका shaded region कहाँ आएगा, towards the origin. It will be here. जो कॉमन आ रहा है मैं आपको वही रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ कि ये वाला आपको रीजन यहाँ से मिलेगा. When we represent y is less than equals to 5, for this we check the condition 0 is less than 5, which is again true. Therefore our region, our shaded region will be towards the origin, and this one will be like this. So we will get this as the common region. तो हमें ये common region मिला है. तो आपके पॉइंट क्या होंगे, आपके कॉमन पॉइंट आपको क्या मिलेंगे, this will be our common region, and corner point of this common region will be this. This is as our common region, which is like this. So आपको ये कुछ हेक्सागोन सब शेप का आपको ये मिला है. यहाँ पर देखो इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स पॉइंट क्या क्या मिलेंगे, मैं यहाँ पर पॉइंट बता देती हूँ. ए बी, दिस वन विल बी सी डी ई एंड एफ. आपको यहाँ पर आपके 6 पॉइंट्स मिले हैं कॉर्नर पॉइंट, और आपको इन सभी पॉइंट्स पर चेक करना होगा कि कहाँ पर आपका फंक्शन आपको मिनिमम मिलने वाला है. ओके, सो आवर ए विल बी. तो यहाँ पर आपके पॉइंट्स क्या बने हैं, हम यहाँ पर पॉइंट्स मेंशन कर देते हैं. आपके पॉइंट्स क्या क्या होंगे, दिस विल बी, ए विल बी 4 and 0, बी विल बी 5 and 0, सी विल बी, सी इज point on the axis here, it will be 5, और from this it is 3. और यदि आपको चेक करना हो कि 3 और 5 होगा भी या नहीं, तो उसके लिए आप चेक भी कर सकते हो. कैसे, 5 equals to 3, what is the equation, this is equation. when we put, देखो 5 तो आपको क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि 5 ही है, और जब हम इस इक्वेशन में x के प्लेस पर 5 पुट करते हैं तो आपको y मिल जाएगा 3. इट माइनस 5 इट विल बी 3. तो आपका पॉइंट क्या होगा, 5 3. एंड डी पॉइंट क्या होगा, डी पॉइंट आपका कट कर रहा है दिस इक्वेशन एंड दिस इक्वेशन. y इज इक्वल्स टू 5, व्हेन पुट y इक्वल्स टू 5 इन दिस इक्वेशन x विल बी 3. तो d पॉइंट आपका मिलेगा 3 and 5. E पॉइंट की बात करें तो E आपके पास पॉइंट है, यहाँ पर y है 5 एंड x इज 0, तो इट विल बी 0 and 5. F पॉइंट क्या होगा? F इज एट द पॉइंट दिस 4, तो y is 4 and x is 0. It will be 0 and 4. Okay, these are our corner point and we have to check this objective function on this corner point to satisfy and to check this where is the objective function is minimum. For this, now we check this point. So our point are A, B, C, D, E and F. A पॉइंट है आपका 4 0, B पॉइंट है आपका 5 0, C पॉइंट है 5 and 3, D पॉइंट है 3 and 5, E पॉइंट है आपका 0 and 5 और F है आपका 0 and 4. Our objective function is Z, which is x minus 7y plus 190. We put the value of x and y from the given points, from the these given feasible solution or feasible boundary of the corner point and check this phenomena. When x is 4, y is 0, for this z will become x is 4, y is 0, so 4 plus 190, it will be 194. 5 and 0 के केस में it will be 5 plus 190. It will be 195. When we put z is equals to 5 and 3, z will be equals to it will be 5 minus 21 plus 190. It will be so it will be 174. When we see on point D, z will be equals to 3 minus 35 plus 190. It will be 158. When we put z is equals to 0 and 5 along the x and y, it will be 0 minus 20 minus 35 and plus 190. It will be 155. And when we put 0 and 4, z will be equals to minus 28 plus 190. It will be 162. So we get these values of z on the given corner points, on this corner point, and what we have to do in this question, we have to minimize the z, minimize the objective function, and where we get the minimum value of z. Minimum value of z is 155. So our minimized function, our function is minimized where z has the minimum value at when point is 0 and 5, at 0 and 5, or we say when x is 0 and y is 5. Okay, so this is how we solve the question. Our next question is, now we will solve another question. Minimize z is equals to 3x plus 2y. Subjective constants are given as x plus y is greater than equals to 8, 3x plus 5y is less than equals to 15, and xy is as usual greater than 0. Okay. For solve this, as we have to given the objective function is here z is 3x plus 2y, and these constants should be considered as the equations. Inequalities, consider given constraints as equations, okay, as represented to graphically. So our equation become x plus y equals to 8, 3x plus 5y will be 15. We have only two equations which represent on the graph. Now we will make a graph like this, x and y. This is our origin, this is minus x, minus y. To represent this, first, which will be our point? When we put x is equals to 0, we get y is equals to 8. Therefore, first point is 0, 8. And second is when y is 0, we get x is 8. Second point is 8 and 0. Okay. So, यहाँ पर हम अपने पॉइंट्स मेंशन कर देते हैं. लाइक इट विल बी 2, 4, 6, 8. This will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. First point is 0, 8. When x is 0, y is 8. When x is 0, y is 8 is this point. Another is 8 and 0. When x is 8 and y is 0, that will be the point. Represent this equation such as. This is our x plus y equation. X plus y equals to 8. And from the second equation, from second, when x is 0, y is 3. Therefore, point will be 0, 3. When y is 0, x will be 3. When y is 0, x will be, it will be 5. So, it will be 5 and 0. We have find the two points. Therefore, first point is 0, 3. 0, 3. It will be here. Next point is 5 and 0. X is 5 and 0 here. So, we will make another line which represent the equation 3x plus 5y equals to 15. Okay. So, we make the given equations. Now, to check the where is the shaded region, therefore, again we represent this inequalities. We will find out their conditions. When we put x and y as 0, 0, we get 0 is greater than equals to 8. It is false. 0 is less than 8. Therefore, it is false. Therefore, our shaded region is away from the origin. Origin से अवे होगा x plus y is 8. तो आपका shaded region किधर मिलेगा? इधर. Now, when we check this equation, when we put 0, 0 on the place of x and y, we will get 0 is less than equals to 15. It is true. It is true. Therefore, this equation says the shaded region towards the origin. It will be like this. Okay. Now, there is no common region in between them. Means there is no corner point, there is no feasible region. If we have no feasible region for this, we can't calculate the solution of it. Means we have the infeasible solution because we can't find out any point where both these inequalities satisfy the given point. कोई भी particular point को ये inequalities satisfy नहीं कर पा रही है. अब नहीं कर रही है तो these equations are like they are parallel to each other. If they are like this, then we get the inconsistent solution. ठीक है, तो हमें यहाँ पर एक inconsistent solution मिलेगा. So constraints are inconsistent. Means there is no point which satisfies both the equation. Now, if constraints are inconsistent, that means given LPP has infeasible solution. Infeasible solution means no solution exists here. Okay.